Hey, what's going on, guys? Blacksea here with the Crypto Report, and I got another video for you today. Today, I want to talk about Cronos, Tectonic, and some of the other pumpers that have been pumping crazy today. We're having a green day. I want to talk about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and just talk about what I think is going on in the markets. So, first things first, we're looking at Crow, and if you've watched my previous videos, you've been talking about how I'm looking for this curvature to happen here like this when Bitcoin breaks out of this wedge, which we broke out of, and we need a retest, which is something like this. I want to see a retest off the structure and a resumption for a good potential long opportunity, which I would like to look at about this area right here to enter in a long about I don't know, maybe like 19,500, 19,600 is a potential good long opportunity. But what does that mean for Crow and Tectonic? Well, when Bitcoin goes up, only good things happen. And before we get into that, I want to look at the Bitcoin dominance chart because what we see here is the Bitcoin dominance coming down. And when Bitcoin dominance is coming down, that means that altcoins are getting more and more positioned to have an altcoin season, which would be quite strange to see in a bear market like this right now. I'm very, very curious to see what happens if we come down. If we break below the 38% mark, which would be absolutely ludicrous to see, I would think if we break anywhere below the 40% Bitcoin dominance, we're going to see some interesting price action with altcoins. And when I say altcoins, that's cryptocom, Tectonic, and all the other goodies. Let's talk about Tectonic because we're definitely at a make or break point for Tectonic. If you look at this chart right here, this was the peak before we had this downward motion and we kind of bottomed out around here. Well, right now we are testing that. And just like how in the Bitcoin chart, how I'm looking for a breakout, a retest, and a resumption, we are retesting this high right here of point 1871, I'll call it. I don't know how many decimal points that is, but there's a lot of zeros before that. But we are retesting these levels. If we break out to the upside from here, which I'm very confident will happen if Bitcoin continues its moves, um, we're gonna blast off here. I think that that's a poor chart to look at. But the 3 monthly, we're gonna break past this 1900 level. We'll easily get to if we break 1960 for Tectonic, then I wouldn't be surprised if we get in the 2000s for this. That'd be really beautiful to see. But the spotlight is on Dogecoin and Shiba Inu today, and all the other meme coins. Um, I think that like when you see this, it's like, what do you meme? Haha, just kidding. What do you mean when you see this? Like how? Well, it's all based on the news and the mainstream media pushing Elon Musk buying Twitter, and all the whales start trying to capitalize on that. And well, they buy some, and the market will follow. The market says, "Oh, look at this! It's pumping! It's pumping." Am I going to buy any Dogecoin right now? No. Definitely not. However, I will say that with these meme coins, you definitely can make money. There's definitely opportunities. You just need to be able to get in and get out. It is much more of a trading opportunity than an investing opportunity like Cronos and Tectonic, um, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Those are much, much safer. And on the crypto report, we definitely preach DCA and hodling, but I don't know about DCAing and hodling into Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. I think that might be a recipe for disaster. Now, let me know in the comments section if you think I'm wrong, but I really think that there's opportunity to be made with these meme coins, but long-term investing, some crazy fundamental things would have to change with Dogecoin because of their inflation and the programming in the coin. But let's look at Shiba Inu too. Well, Shiba Inu pumps because Dogecoin pumps. It's just a vicious cycle with the meme coins. Elon gets all up in the news, and then we have Dogecoin pumping, which makes Shiba Inu pump. Let's measure this move right here for Shiba Inu. Yeah, guys. Nothing like a good 53% pump in the past day. That's insane. Like really, that's crazy. But I'm really, I think when this slows down here, when the money and the eyes start coming off of the meme coins for a little while, um, which I do think that the meme coins will definitely pump again in the bull market, but I like to use that as an indicator of where we are at in the bull cycle, in the market cycle, which is why I'm finding this quite interesting that we're having these pumps in this bear market. It makes me kind of think that maybe something like this isn't too far fetched. Just saying. It's very questionable. And if we can coil out and break out of this massive structure of Bitcoin, if we can break out of this one, well, I think the bull market is back on, especially if we can break around the 30K mark. I don't see us coming back down to 17K unless we have a crazy capitulation event, like when the pandemic happened back over here, this capitulation. But this was the original capitulation in December 2018. But this was like a flash crash, and we just immediately, right after this, it was like, okay, and on March 2020, on Friday the 13th, believe it or not, it was like we bottom, we go, okay, now it's time for the bull run. But I'm really confident that if we can break out of this, it's game on. And same with this, we're already breaking out of this little triangle. If we can get the retest and resumption, Tectonic, Cronos, we're going to break out, and we'll have a very, very interesting altcoin season, in my opinion, which is super strange to have in a bear market. And I'm very curious to see what happens in the next few days. Also, I wanted to say over on Femex, when we have this retest, if we do get the retest, I'm looking in to put a long. And if you'd like to sign up on Femex, you can get up to $4,100 trading bonus towards a trade just by signing up with the referral link in the bottom of our videos right here and depositing and opening up a trade. And you can get up to $4,100 in trading bonuses. And also, I would like to say thanks so much, guys, for all the comments you guys have been leaving on our videos. It's really nice to start building a community and talking with you guys. It's really, really interesting, and I really appreciate that. But to end this video off, I would like to say that I think there is a possibility that we can come down here on Tectonic. We might have a little bit of a pullback. I know this might be some sobering news, but I think it is possible, especially if Bitcoin starts to retest the formation it's in. But as long as we get a resumption off of that test on the Bitcoin triangle formation, then I think that there's no problem with us bouncing off after we come down a little bit and going back up. I see no problem in that. I think there's a very high probability of that. Now, I would just also like to say that, guys, please be safe when you're playing around with meme coins like Dogecoin and shibainu. And you can make money on them. You definitely can. But I would say it's not a good thing to invest in long term. But that's not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do, but it's just my opinion, my 2 cents. But thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.